Many manufacturers have processes that generate excess heat. It's just something that you've come to accept. So the thought of installing a mechanical air conditioning system that is very expensive to operate has never really been a serious consideration. But have you examined the impact your facility's indoor air quality may be having on your manufacturing employees if you choose to do nothing? Stressed out employees are distracted employees and can have a devastating impact on productivity and safety. Providing a safe and healthy environment for your hardworking people is one of your major priorities. Ours too. Your team is the most important asset in your organization, and as a conscientious company, we know you want to take care of your people. One way to easily accomplish this is by addressing the comfort level of your facility's internal environment. As facility leaders who are striving for continual improvement, you want to help your team be more productive, improve your company's ability to recruit top talent, and retain the dedicated employees currently working within your organization. Bringing 100% outside tempered cooled air into your facility sounds great, but how do you accomplish this without breaking the bank? A well-designed evaporative cooling system is the key. Do you ever feel like your facility is working against you? Cambridge Air Solutions' two-stage evaporative ESC technology is a proven platform that can provide cooling solutions for manufacturers with high air loads, high internal heat gains, and concerns about people working in environments that are inordinately hot. With lower operating costs and the use of 100% outside air, the ESC platform can be designed to meet the specific requirements of your facility to create a healthy work environment that increases productivity and improves employee retention. Cambridge provides facility consultation, analysis, and system design support. We fabricate custom HVAC solutions to meet your team's requirements and specifications. We assist with successful equipment commissioning and provide ongoing support, including technical phone support and facility maintenance training to keep your systems operating with the greatest efficiencies. A safe and healthy work environment benefits everyone committed to success. To see how Cambridge ESC-Series can help you address your IAQ challenges, schedule your personal air solutions tour today. Call 888-919-1887 or visit us on the web at www.cambridgeair.com.